channel. I'm Morgan Monet. Today's video is all about the 4 different types of crossbody bags you must have in your handbag collection. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, hi! I create videos based on luxury accessories and skincare. So if those 2 topics interest you, definitely consider joining my Luxe family by subscribing below. All right, you guys, let's get into this first category. Okay, you guys, so the first type of crossbody bag that you have to have in your collection is a basic black crossbody bag. I have the Gucci Marmont Matelassé mini camera bag with the beautiful chevron detailing and the lovely brushed gold hardware. I also love that on the back it carries that same chevron pattern detailing, and it also has the double G stitching. One of the things that I love about this bag is that it's not really a mini bag. It's 7 inches in length, 5 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in width. It also has a fairly long chain drop, which would be 24 inches in length, and that's pretty long, you guys. And the bag actually retails for under $1,000. You can currently get this guy for $980. The reason why I think it's so important to have just a simple black crossbody bag in your collection is that you can use it with any outfit or any casual outfit. It will allow you to wear it in both the spring and the fall. I know a lot of people hate wearing a black bag in the spring, but since it's black, you can wear it year round. And I just think that my Gucci Marmont is one of the best. It's actually the only black bag that I really have in my collection, but I love it. The next type of crossbody bag that you must have in your collection is a spring/summer crossbody bag, and I have the Polene #1 mini. Oh, you guys, I have fallen in love with this bag. It's so cute. I have it in this beautiful blush pink color. I don't think that the camera is doing it justice at all. It's a little bit cloudy outside, so it's casting like a darker shadow on my camera. But this bag is a full grain calf leather, and it has a pocket in the back, and it's very easy to use. What I love is that the color allows me to play off of my spring prints and my spring color palette. This specific bag or specific brand is only in France. So Polene is a French-based leather handbag maker, and as of right now they don't have any shops in the US, but this bag currently retails for $350. I was able to pick it up when my boyfriend and I went to Paris for our 2-year anniversary, and it's actually 8 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 3.5 inches in width. But just being able to have a bag that can play up the pinks, the greens, the yellows that I have in my closet is always a win. So I would definitely recommend to you guys having some sort of spring or summer bag in your collection. The next category that's important for you to have within your crossbody bag collection is a normal or casual crossbody bag. And I like to think that my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis fits that typical or casual category. It does have a zipper on the back, which is for easy use and function, and then it has a handle up top. But this bag also does come with a crossbody strap, which I keep on the inside of my bag when I'm storing it. This bag is almost 10 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, and 2.8 inches in width. And the strap actually has a 19-inch drop. I think that having any type of casual handbag in your collection just allows you to throw it on if you have on leggings and a t-shirt, or a sweatshirt and jeans. It just allows you to not have to be dressy when using or carrying this bag. And I love my Pochette Matisse. I actually have a video on it on my channel, which is a full review and also shows you what actually fits in this bag, and I can link it both above and below. Okay, you guys, so the last type of crossbody bag that you must have in your collection is a dressy or evening crossbody bag. And I like to think that my Louis Vuitton Felicie fits that category perfectly. I have this guy in the beautiful monogram vernis leather in the magenta color. And as of right now, this bag retails for $1,250. It is 8.3 inches in length, 4.7 inches in height, and 1.2 inches in width. What's so great about the Felicie is that it actually comes with 2 additional small leather goods. So you also, with that bag, you get a card holder, which has 8 card slots, and a pocket in the middle, which can easily hold a checkbook. And then you also get a zip pouch, which can easily hold bills. I like to keep my cash in here as well. So this bag is perfect for if I have a brunch that I maybe want to go to, or if there's an evening event that I want to go to and I just want to carry something that's just a little bit more dressier and that could easily spark a conversation. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. As a reminder, it's important to have a black crossbody, a summer or spring crossbody, a casual crossbody, and definitely a dressy crossbody bag in your collection. If you want me to give a more in-depth video or review on my Gucci, my Polene, or my Louis Vuitton Felicie, let me know down below in the comments. I have no problem giving you guys more details around those handbags. But I definitely hope that this video has sparked an interest in broadening your crossbody collection, and I really do hope to see you in my next video.